Hello, I'm CG Ian. This is a quick video to show how to convert to a smart objects in Photoshop. After starting Photoshop, we can go to File folder. I have an image. I drag and drop into Photoshop to open the image. And then make sure that we have layers window. If you don't have layers window, we can go to window and show layers here. Now I go back to layers window and then we can select the image layer and use right click and we can find convert to a smart object. Click to convert it to a smart object. I press Ctrl Z. Alternative, we can convert multiple layer to a smart object. For example, I will use text tool, the type tool, and then type, for example, smart objects. And then we have two layers. I put in here, and we have text layer and image layer. I use Shift to make a multiple selection and use right click, and we can convert to a smart object here. This is single layer. If you want to edit the text, we can go into smart objects and edit the text here. So this is how we can convert to smart objects in Photoshop. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe to this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Ian. See you in the next video.